Hey people, this is Rainer here from tradingwithrainer.com. I hope you guys are enjoying a fabulous weekend because as for me, I'm basically having my in-camp training right now and weekend I get to book out, so I do have time to actually come up with my weekly analysis. So for those of you who have been with me for quite a while now, I'd like to say thank you and I appreciate your effort and support throughout this period of time. So nonetheless, this week on my Forex analysis, I've identified some pairs and I do realize that what is happening right now is that I have actually quite a number of harmonic setups that is occurring in the markets right now. So this week, my analysis will be focusing more on harmonic setups compared to my normal and usual price action trading strategies. So without further ado, let's look at some setups that are coming our way in the coming week. So this is the first pair I'm looking at, which is the pound yen daily chart. So needless to say, we are actually in an uptrend right now. For those of you who thinks we are in a downtrend, then I really have nothing to say because you look left, alright, what you see is price are making higher highs as it hit on towards the right side of the chart. So it's very clear that price is in an uptrend, and in an uptrend I only look to buy. So how would I look to buy? So what I've identified is actually a potential godly pattern that is occurring on the 4-hour chart. So it's a bit hard to see here, but nonetheless the daily give us a perspective of what we should do for this pair. So we're actually looking to buy. So let's drill down into the 4-hour chart and look at price action more clearly. So in the 4-hour chart, what I can see is I have this swing point here, and if I can adjust it, it's actually around the 166 level. Okay, so what we have from here is a potential godly pattern, right? I'll draw my X to A over here, and you do notice that price terminate at the 618 level. So when price terminate at the 618 level, we're actually looking for a godly pattern. So with that, I'll use my fib extension tool to draw the AB equals to CD pattern. So what we have here is a price confluence at this level here. This is 127 and 786 level. So this is where I expect price to terminate at in the coming week. So here is how I look to trade it. So with that, I can really draw my godly pattern and it looks something like this. So for those of you who do not know what harmonic patterns are, I would suggest that you look through my trading videos because I have a set of harmonic series which you guys can learn how to master these harmonic patterns. So with that, I'll look to buy around this level here. Let me highlight it. Around the 166.70 level, which is around here, and get my stops below this swing low over here. Because godly patterns will actually terminate at the D point, which is the area I've highlighted here. So yep, this is the godly pattern for the British pound yen. Looking to long around the 166.70 level if my eyes does not play any trick on me. 166.70 level here, and my stops will be below this swing low over here. Profit targets wise, I'll leave it to you guys, but what I'll do is I'll set it to break even should price come back and retest this swing high over here. So yep, this is the potential godly pattern that's occurring on the British pound yen. So the next chart we'll look at is the, let's see, Canadian yen. How about that? Okay, this Canadian yen pair, I've been watching it for quite some time, and we can see that it's ranging between the 97.50 level and the 92 level. So it's between here and here, this range. So basically in the range, what we do is buy low, sell high. That's right. Remember I always say buy low, sell high. But at this point of time, you can see that price is at resistance right now. However, I'm not looking to sell just right yet. Why am I not looking to sell even though it's at resistance? Here is my reason why. Okay, I'll zoom in a little and you can see that the recent price action. What happened previously was price will come up, retrace a little, come up. When you approach resistance, you have a sell down. Okay, so it comes back up again, form a double top before selling down. But right now, what I'm seeing on the price action is that price has been constantly making higher lows. See, here, 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 followed by another higher lows over here. So this is telling me that the bulls are actually in control and price approached this resistance level. I did not see any sell down. Instead, price appears to be gaining momentum instead of having a sell down at this resistance level. So this shows that the bulls are in control and the bears are still not out yet to take price lower. So I'll be really cautious about shorting at resistance level because we have a higher lows. Price is still very bullish despite being in a resistance level. Because if you notice, historically, price actually formed this week when it enters the resistance zone. But compared to here, right now, price is actually forming two bullish candles in the resistance zone, showing that the bulls are in control and also it has been forming higher highs all along. So I'll really be cautious about shorting in these resistance zones. In fact, I will actually not do anything at all. I'll just not short and just leave this pair out altogether. So for the CAD yen, I will not be shorting. So for those of you who are shorting, do take note of it. And lastly, the last pair I'll be looking at is another harmonic pattern forming up on the New Zealand dollar. So looking at the New Zealand dollar daily charts, okay, we can see that this pair has actually been ranging for a while. So when it's ranging again, what I'll do is buy low, sell high. So this pair has actually been ranging here and somewhere around here. So with that, I'll look to buy low, sell high, or BSSR, buy support, sell resistance. So looking at the forward chart, I can plot resistance, okay, somewhere around here, sorry about it, 84 level. Okay, I'll zoom out a little to highlight, and between the 84 and the 83, I would say 83.70 level. Yep, nice number, 83.70 level. So as you can see here in the forward chart, we have resistance coming up here, resistance zone here. So I've identified a bad pattern that is potentially forming up. So I'll draw from swing high to swing low. Okay, and notice that price terminated at a 50% retracement. So when price terminated at the 50% retracement, what I'm looking at is a potential bad pattern. So the next tool I'll use is my FIB extension, and we have a confluence coming in around 886. So with that, I would expect price to terminate somewhere around this region over here, the 886 level, because bad pattern will terminate at the 886 level, which is our D point. And also we have a confluence of the FIB extension at the 127 level. So really, for those of you who are really confused about what I'm doing here, which is harmonic patterns, I would suggest you going through my harmonic videos on my website. So with that, I can actually draw my bad pattern, and terminating at the 886 level. So in the coming week, what I expect is for price to rally into this green zone over here, the 886 level, right, and come head lower. So where will my stops be? My stops will be above this swing high over here. So yep, that's how the bad pattern looks like, and terminate at the D level, which is at the 886 level over here. So that's all for my weekly analysis. Okay, I'm sorry if you guys are actually confused by all these harmonic patterns, because it actually takes time and practice to get a hang of it, and this is actually the few setups that I'll be watching in the coming week. I hope you guys find my analysis useful, and this is my website, and regarding the trading videos, you can click trading videos, and here is where the harmonic stuff are. So there you have it, harmonic series, part 1, part 2, part 3 until part 6. So it's basically an entire package into harmonic. So you guys can actually come here and learn more about it. And if you want to be part of my trading discussion group, I have one on Facebook, which is here. You can actually click here and join me on Facebook. So everything is free down here. I hope you guys find it useful, be able to improve on your trading, and I wish you good luck and good trading. Thank you.